Pena Palace, located in the picturesque town of Sintra in Portugal, is a stunning architectural gem that attracts tourists from all over the world. This charming palace is located on a hilltop, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Pena Palace is known for its bright and colorful facade, which combines Gothic, Moorish and Renaissance architectural styles. The intricate detailing and ornate decoration make it a true masterpiece. Pena Palace, one of Portugal's most popular tourist attractions, welcomes thousands of visitors every year. Travelers are fascinated by its rich history and remarkable architecture. Whether you are an architecture enthusiast or simply looking for a travel experience, Pena Palace will leave you with a positive feeling. A visit to the palace will allow you to step back in time and immerse yourself in Portugal's royal heritage. With its fairy tale atmosphere and breathtaking surroundings, it's no surprise that this iconic landmark continues to be a must-see for tourists from all over the world.